Hi guys, thank you for joining me today. I hope everybody's doing well, staying safe, keeping busy. My name is Andrea Delgado and I am a real estate agent in Surprise, Arizona. I like to make videos almost every week to inform you guys a little bit more about the real estate world. If you're new, there is a lot and it can get a little bit confusing, and my goal is to make it just a little bit easier for you. Today I want to talk to you guys about 3 types of agents. When I say 3 types of agents, that doesn't mean that there's 3 different categories of agents that you are going to be looking through when you go search for an agent. Every agent can do the same things. It just means the level of responsibility that you grant your agent once you decide to work with them. The first agent I want to talk to you guys about is a universal agent. A universal agent has the most responsibility and can represent their principal, or in other words, their client, in most categories, meaning that they can buy or sell real or personal property with and without the permission of their client. But before becoming a universal agent, he or she must have it in writing that they are an attorney in fact. That gives them the power of attorney to be able to make the decisions without having to ask their client first. Now, this doesn't happen very often. You might see this more commercially than in residential properties. There is no power of attorney that is created in this type of agent because they are only allowed to work in one specific area. You might be able to see this type of agency when a person owns different properties to either rent or to flip. They might work with one agent to buy and to sell their properties without having to go to a different agent each and every time. The last agent I want to talk to you guys about is a special agent. This agent is hired to represent their client in one specific transaction, meaning one sell or one buy of a property. The agent is employed to find a seller or a ready, willing, and able buyer. This person cannot decide to sell, reject, or accept an offer. When you are ready to work with an agent, please don't Google universal agent or specific agent, because it is not going to be on our badge, it's not going to be on our profile. This is something that you are going to have to talk to an agent that you feel comfortable with and let them know what type of responsibility you want them to have. If you want them to have all the responsibility and be able to cover all matters, then you know it's going to be a universal partnership. But if you just want to work with them in one transaction, then you know it's going to be a special agent partnership. Overall, I hope that you have learned something new today watching my video. And remember, a universal agent has the most responsibility. A general agent has medium amount of responsibility, and a special agent has the least amount of responsibility. And also, whenever you guys are thinking about buying or selling a property, please think of me. All my information is going to be listed down below, and I hope to see you guys very soon. Bye.